Hello there and welcome to another video of AL programming, and today we are going to look at events in Business Central and specifically how to easily subscribe to events in Business Central, because at times they can be a daunting task to be able to subscribe, to know what to place, where to place the variables, which variables comes first, which one is the second one. Maybe you'd like to know how do I accurately subscribe to it in a way that it will give me the results that I expect, and maybe it's on after post purchase invoice, or on after get customer, or on after send email or something like that.
Hii ni Tech na Msangi ya jishinde.com.
And let's recap that events in Business Central are used to trigger the execution of code in response to specific actions or behavior that occur in the system, and events are defined in code units and can be raised in code units, pages, and tables. You can subscribe to events in code units, pages, and tables to execute code in response to the event, and events are used to create loosely coupled code that can be reused and extended without modifying the original code. You can extend the code in an event and use the code that you have extended, and if you use mostly there is a variable known as is handled, you'll basically be able to override the existing code of the base application. And it's good to always look at the code that is in the base application to be sure that you are subscribing to the right event. And here is the easiest and fastest way of subscribing. First of all, this video is not about identifying events, so you should have identified your events. And once you identify the event that you are supposed to subscribe to, the shortcut here is Shift Alt E. Simultaneously press Shift Alt E. When you press the Shift Alt E, let me escape and then press again the Shift Alt E. I'm given an option to select an event, and all the events that can be subscribed to are listed here in this snippet, or in this pop-up, so that I can be able to sort of filter out the one that I'd like um, to subscribe to. So we can see if I say purchase, there are several: on after init from purchase, on after get reminder, and all that. If I search with email, I don't know if there's one. On after send to email, maybe on after on before send email, and several. If we look at, so if we'd like to subscribe and select that on before send email, and boom, we're able to get everything. It pre-populates for us the variable that are needed there. That is, there's a var of code unit, there's a code unit of email, and the event there as well, that it's on before send email, and everything is pre-populated for us. Okay, because I haven't even created a code unit here, no wonder this event seems not to be valid. But if I create a code unit and I call it an event code unit and add this method here, it can basically be a valid event, because it will be a procedure inside a code unit, because it wasn't valid because it was just an AL file without a code unit, and several others. You can still proceed. Once you're within the code unit, the key is Shift Alt E, and you can be able to select an event, and it becomes so easy for us to be able to subscribe to events and save the hassle of trying to see, okay, which variable is it, where am I getting it. Even this for the Excel buffer, on after add column to buffer. So once the column has been added to the buffer, we have all these options to subscribe and be able to create our loosely coupled code to make sure that we extend without modifying the original code, which of course we can't, but at least it's an easier way and faster way of being able to subscribe to events in Business Central. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss the next one.